This video will demonstrate how to polish DCA aligners and retainers. First, set the gear of the polishing tool to the third level, which is the most recommended setting for polishing DCA parts. Next, pay attention to the direction of the tool's polishing as it affects the effectiveness of polishing the edges of the parts. If you polish against the direction of the tool's rotation, the area polished in the reverse direction will show noticeable white edges, which will also be demonstrated later in this video. Next, press the switch of the polishing tool to start. The direction of the tool's rotation can be determined by the directional markings on the tool, which indicate that it is rotating to the left. The demonstration will now begin with polishing the left half, carefully polishing the edges of the parts in the direction of the tool's rotating head. Having completed the left side, the video will now demonstrate polishing in the opposite direction of the tool's rotation for the right side. When polishing in the reverse direction, it is more difficult than polishing in the direction of rotation, and it also increases vibration during the process, affecting the quality of the polishing.